So when we talk about the heat demand, what we're looking at is really the heat that you need for your production process. So basically, depending on the industry that you're in, you're going to need to achieve different temperatures. If you're in the iron and steel industry, you will need to reach high temperatures, most likely above 500 degrees, while if you're in the tobacco, food and beverage industry, it will be lower. This demand, the specifically heat supply, it represents 3/4 of the energy demand in the industry sector. And it's approximately 75% of greenhouse gas emissions, which means it's a sector that is still to be decarbonized and a greening effort can be made. And this is what we want to look into. When you want to green your heat demand, there are several options and solutions that are available. So we have mainly 4 categories. We have direct electrification, for example, with a heat pump or an electric boiler. Then you have certifications, renewable gas, and then finally capture. So different technologies have different level of maturity, and you need to pick the one that is the most affordable for you in terms of cost, the general availability, and the public risk exposure, what you're trying to achieve. So there are several options so that you can green your heat demand, but there are still some barriers around. So the main ones that we identify are financial. Of course, it has a cost. It's not only the difference between electricity and gas, it's also, for example, the cost of hydrogen or other technologies. It can be a technical barrier. You need to find the right technology for your business to reach the right temperatures, but it can also be organizational. The window of opportunity is quite slim, so you need to find the right moment where you want to replace your infrastructures with new ones. And aside of that, there's also a sort of knowledge and perception barrier that we need to understand the technologies very well and know them to be able to input them in our own business. And then aside of that, for more sort of the renewable gas solution or carbon capture, etc., the main barrier that we see is the maturity of the market right now.